everyone, welcome to my channel. After recording all the transactions to the journal, we need to group the similar transactions. For that purpose, we need to have ledger. After preparing the ledger, the third step will be trial balance. In my previous videos, journal and ledger links are in the description box below if you want to watch it. Trial balance is not an account. It is a statement which shows the account balances of a ledger to verify the correctness of those accounts in terms of debit and credit amount. Simply, trial balance is prepared to verify the ledger account balances. Trial balance, debit and credit total must be tallied. You know that as per double entry accounting system, every debit there must be corresponding credit. It means that when one account is debited, another account must be credited with a similar account. So the sum of debit entries should be equal to the sum of credit entries. If those are not tallied and any differences arises in those totals indicates that some mistakes have been committed. At the same time, tallying the trial balance doesn't mean that all our books of accounts are accurate. Trial balance can only prove the arithmetical accuracy of your books of account. Trial balance preparation is must at the closing of an accounting year. The final step in the accounting process is the preparation of a final account to find out the profit or loss and financial position of a business. So, for preparing the final accounts, you need not go through the ledger account. Instead of a ledger account, you can use a trial balance. All revenue and expenses account in the trial balance are transferred to trading and profit and loss account. All assets, liabilities and capital accounts are transferred to the balance sheet. Trial balance may be prepared at any time, monthly, quarterly, half yearly or yearly. Actually, there are two methods to prepare trial balance: total amounts method and a balance method. Most commonly used method is a balance method. Take a look at the format of a trial balance. You can see that there are 4 columns: account code, name of an account, debit amount and credit amount. You should learn what are the accounts coming under debit column and what are the accounts coming under credit column. It will be easy if you study those things properly. Assets, drawings and expenses are in debit side. That means all those are always debit balances. Then liabilities, equity and revenues are always under credit balances. So you should remember these points to prepare the trial balance properly. This is the end of this session. Thank you all for watching my videos. Like, comment, share and subscribe my channel if you find it useful. Have a great day.